Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen. We are at the ARRI booth at 2025 NAB Show. We are with
Tyler Rushler, David Liebling,
and how do they find you?
davidliebling.com or at David Liebling on Instagram.
Thank you very much. And we're going to let you go on a pilot. Then you can just go away.
All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Tyler Rushlew. I'm the product specialist for camera stabilizers at ARRI. We're at NAB 2025, and here with me is David Liebling, our operator of the day, and he'll be demonstrating the Artemis 2 Live. The Artemis 2 Live is an upgraded conversion of the existing Artemis 2 platform to allow for a lighter, smaller, significantly shorter Steadicam. This allows David to move freely with his legs while he operates. So if you wanted to be at the sidelines or a long award show, you can comfortably walk or run without interfering and hitting the bottom of your sled. Today we have 2 batteries powering the system, but if you wanted, with the 24-volt battery, you could power everything, including the rig and the camera. We have the main monitor, our program and return monitor, and especially our low-mode monitor. The Artemis 2 Live was upgraded to reduce the price of the existing Artemis 2. With a Volt system with no gimbal and a docking bracket. The 2 Live starts at $13,500 US. If you need any other questions regarding CSS or camera stabilization at ARRI, please reach out to Tyler at ARRI.com, Tyler at ARRI.com. And if you need to speak with David Liebling, reach out to David Liebling at davidliebling.com or David Liebling on Instagram. Thank you. Have a great show.
So we're done, and that's take 2 because of Walter. Here we go. Oh, look at that. The red light turns off. Hey, someday I could be professional.